Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Saturday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging and we'll see what is inside the bag if I can get it open. They tape around it, but it's very well packed. Alright, I just don't want to cut into the thing here. Alright, get that out and I'll put them scissors away because I don't think I'll need those. Get it out of the bag. Alright, I am back. Well, I looked up and my camera was off for some reason. Not real sure why. So we'll go with this. These kits come from AliExpress and they are something that I ordered. The first one is a Mona Lisa cross stitch. It says right here. It is 100 by 60 centimeters, and it doesn't say how many, what do you call it, stitches per stitch. It may over here somewhere, but is that not gorgeous? Just absolutely stunning. Yes, I love all the pinks and the blues and the oranges and the yellows, and we got butterflies and we got a sun and we got a background. So this is full coverage. Does have a paper pattern. And the paper pattern usually does not match the canvas. So all these symbols go to the paper pattern, but nice clear pattern. We have 36 colors. We have 310 black, 321, which is a Christmas red, 498, which is a brick red. We have 666 red, 820, I almost said 823, 820, which is a navy, no 939, and we're using B5200 for the white. But it's a 2-page booklet, and the same key that I just was reading from is on the next page. So you don't have to flip back and forth, but very nicely done, very well printed, nice and gridded. Now let's look at the colors. Aren't they gorgeous? It does come with a toolkit. It has 4 needles. Nope. It has 2 needles here, and when I was taping before, there's 2 more attached to the canvas. So a total of 4 needles, needle threader, thimble, and a bobbin. And let's look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Did notice that number 2 is missing. I don't know where it's at or what color. It's kind of a pale purple. So if we see a pale purple hanging anywhere, we'll look. Unless, wait a minute. I see what happened. Number 2 came out. Are those 2? Those look like the same color, don't they? Yeah. We'll look it up. No big deal. It might be here somewhere. Not sure why it's not there. But it is one of the loop over ones. So you have 2 thread cards, but look at those pinks and yellows. Yellow, orange, brick, red, 666 red, and beautiful blues, orange, yellow, orange, geez Louise, some browns, not a lot of browns, so that's as brown as it gets. It's kind of a burnished gold, so beautiful, stunning, stunning threads. We will take a look and see if we can find us some number 211 one day. But we're going to fold this up. I don't mind these because usually I put it into the bag and then I have it like sitting like this. So it never leaves the bag, you know, to get a color. So that's nice. So this I can deal with. Thread drops, not so much. Okay, let us take a look at the canvas. Now the what do you call it? The key on the bottom is not the same as the key on the paper. I think I said that. And it runs all the way across the bottom, which I'm not real thrilled about. It's like waffle cut, so I don't think it's, what do you call it? Serged all the way around at all. But very beautiful, beautiful symbols, easy to see. It's going to be a little bit confetti, not going to lie. But you want that for detail. And we have 35 colors. Now this is, I don't know, that's so weird. Okay, it's a partial. Because let me show you what I'm looking at. So all the background that you have to put in is that and that sun. And I'm not seeing, nope, you don't do the rest of that white. So I guess it just kind of melds into each other, and there is another hole, not hole, but another space where you don't stitch over here, but very nicely printed. Now I don't know if I can get this measured or not. We're going to give it the old college try here. And it is 90, a little over 96.5 centimeters, or 38 inches, the whole canvas. And this way, it is 23.25 inches, or 59 centimeters, so it's a little under the 100 by 60. Actual picture is 50.5 centimeters, or almost 20 inches wide by, I'm guessing, whoa, sorry, my bad. I let go of it at the wrong time. Oh my goodness, stay there, please. Oh, and now it's all messed. Really? We're having a heck of a time. 88 centimeters, or 34.75 inches. So, very nice. And it's nice, big areas, so I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be stunning when it's done. Just stunning with all those colors. Oh, yeah. Except for minus number 2. But we'll find some number 2. It's only got one loop over, so it shouldn't have too much thread to it, so one skein would do. Alright, are you ready for the big one? Or a big one? You know, because we can't order anything from AliExpress and not get something huge. And oh, before I forget, I did not see how many stitches by how many stitches on this at all. Nope. That's the product number. So it is 300, almost 390 stitches across by, oh, get the other side, by 130, by 210. So that's a stitch thing. So are you ready? Let me get this out of its crinkly bag. All right. Is that not beautiful? It's one of those spring type kits. It is 11 count, 175 by 128. And yes, it's 11 count. I had to look. But we have lots going on there. And it is on the tan canvas to go with the rest of mine. But just very, very beautiful. And it doesn't, oh, it says 282 by 513 stitches. And it does have a booklet. Well, okay, it's one of those that's folded up. And I was trying to get to the colors here. So we have a total of, let me make sure I'm right. Okay. We have 58 colors in this. And those are all in full stitch. And 4 colors in back stitch. So no French knots. No, nothing. Nominal back stitching. It's like on parts of the building, as you can see right in here. Just a little bit here and there. So it's not all carried away. And I think there's one of those, do they call them moon gates? Down here, so there's a circle here and a circle there. You do have the back stitching for the stamp that was on the original picture. Whoop, now I'm upside down. I knew that was going to happen. And, you know, you could put the back stitching just about wherever you wanted. You know, as much as you like. But we got people. That's what I liked about people. You have the garden area. You have flowers. It's just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. This pattern leaves a little bit to be desired. Let's take a look. I don't like it all on one page. That just drives me batty. See what colors we have. We have 310 black. No 498, no 666 red, no 823, no 931. So, yeah, nothing. Nothing else that I know of. So we'll just have to look, but they're mostly antique looking colors. So, you know I like that part. Look at that beautiful canvas. I hope it is good here. Let me get this open. So we have a tool kit with 3 needles. I don't know if there's anyplace else. 3 needles, a needle threader, thimble, and a bobbin again. You have a package of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, possibly 11 extra skeins of thread. Let's look at the colors. We have 2 thread cards. Let me turn it around and shake it a bit. Oh my goodness. So you have lots of browns and goldish colors. We have a moss green, kind of muted palette here of colors. There is a bright red, but there's not very much of it, and there's a bright blue, so maybe that goes in their costumes or flowers, or I have no idea. Not a clue. I think that is that pewter color. We have kind of a brown, kind of a rustish rose. Beautiful, and there's your white. So what color is that? I know it wasn't 3865 or B5200. I doubt that I can get to that. 58. 3866 is what they're saying that is. So let me put that up there. But very beautiful, beautiful colors. I just love that antique, old world look, you know. But very nicely done. Let me put that up there. Oh dear. It's going to take a hot moment. Give me. All right. I am back. Very nice key. It is serged all the way around. And yes, there are 2 more needles. So that's a total of 5 needles. If I can pull it out of there. I guess I'm pulling it the wrong way. Hold, please. Got to put them needles away because, you know, it is what it is. Put it over there. But very well done. Very easy to see symbols. I don't see a lot of confetti. And it is a partial, because you don't do this area right in here that goes all the way up like part of the water. It's just kind of highlighted. Nominal back stitching. Yeah, this will be easier to stitch than the Dragon Boat Festival. Does have the product number at the bottom. And, oh God, really? You're killing me, Smalls. Has how many stitches per stitch that there are. But nowhere does it say it's a spring kit. So, and it's made just a bit different. There are two companies. The Spring Company does this type and somebody else, and I can't remember who it is. Right off the bat, if you know, put in the comment section below. And you, of course, have your back stitching on your stamp that would have gone on the scroll or whatever, the picture, when it was done. So that's always nice to give the artist the credit. Very nice. There's no way I can measure this, but it is very beautifully printed. Oh, see, there's those circles. Oh crap, if I can just hold, please. I know I keep saying that. Hold, please. Fold it in half because it's wider than my desk here. But there's those circles that I was talking about. So there's like a gate there and a gate over here. So yeah, I can hardly wait to stitch on this. It's beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to start one of these this afternoon. Not sure which one that's going to be, so do check back at 1 Mountain Standard Time, and it'll be for my March Saturday stitching. So we'll be using the color green. I think within these two that we can find a green shade, right? All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.